Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to add columns after column Z in Google Sheets. This is incredibly useful when you're working with large data sets and need to expand beyond the standard alphabetical column labels. Let's dive right in and get those extra columns added. First, open your web browser and navigate to workspace.google.com. Once the page loads, go ahead and log into your account using your credentials. Make sure you're using the correct Google account that has access to the spreadsheet you want to modify. This step is essential as it gives you access to all your workspace files and tools. After successfully logging in, you'll find yourself on the Workspace dashboard. Here you'll see all your available files and folders. Take a moment to locate the specific spreadsheet where you want to add columns after column Z. Once you've found it, simply click on it to open. The spreadsheet will load in a new window, and you'll see your data along with all the existing columns. Now that your spreadsheet is open, navigate over to column Z. This is where we'll begin adding new columns. Right-click directly on the column Z header at the top of the sheet. A context menu will appear with several options. From this menu, click on Insert One Column Right. This action will create a new column immediately to the right of column Z. You'll notice that Google Sheets automatically names this new column AA, which is how it continues the alphabetical sequence beyond Z. If you need to add multiple columns at once, Google Sheets makes this process even more efficient. Let's say you want to add 5 columns after a specific point. Start by highlighting multiple columns. For example, highlight from column V through column Z. To do this, click on column V's header and drag your cursor across to column Z while holding down the mouse button. Once you've selected all 5 columns, right-click on any of the highlighted column headers. From the menu that appears, click on Insert 5 Columns Right. Google Sheets will instantly add 5 new columns to the right of your selection, naming them AA, AB, AC, AD, and AE respectively. And that's it, you've successfully added columns beyond column Z in Google Sheets. Whether you need just one additional column or several at once, these methods give you the flexibility to expand your spreadsheet as your data grows. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.